How to redeem codes in the Genshin Impact mobile. Hey guys, and let's get started. We will be talking about two such ways by which you can redeem the codes. For the very first option, you can do it on your in-game settings itself. So while playing the Genshin Impact, you have to navigate to the in-game settings. Now in the account section, you'll be able to see the redeem code option. Just tap on it and then you can simply enter the code in order to redeem it. However, it is not available for the all users. In that case, open any of your browser and go to genshin.hoyoverse.com/redeem. This will land you to this page as shown on the screen. Now, first of all, you need to log in order to redeem the code. Select the server, character nickname, and redemption code. And once this is done, tap on redeem button and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such helpful contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.